Spring cleaning is a time for fresh starts, and what better way to embrace the season than by tackling your home's clutter? If your garage, basement, or kitchen is overflowing with old, unused appliances, now is the perfect time to think about appliance removal in Austin. Getting rid of those bulky items not only frees up space but also contributes to a cleaner, more organized home. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, upgrading your kitchen, or just decluttering, appliance removal can play a significant role in simplifying your home and creating a more functional living space. In this article, we'll explore how appliance removal in Austin can help with spring cleaning and home decluttering, making your space more enjoyable and easier to maintain. Clearing out cluttered spaces. Old appliances can take up a lot of space, often causing unnecessary clutter around your home. From refrigerators that no longer work to microwaves, dishwashers, and washing machines that you no longer use, these bulky items can crowd your kitchen, garage, or basement. They're difficult to move, and they take up valuable storage space that could be better utilized. Appliance removal allows you to quickly and efficiently clear out those unused, unwanted items. Whether you're getting rid of broken appliances that have been collecting dust or upgrading to newer models, removing old items creates more usable space in your home, making it easier to organize your belongings and maintain a clutter-free environment. Easy disposal of large and heavy items. Getting rid of large appliances on your own can be a challenge. Many of these items are not only bulky but also heavy, making it difficult for most homeowners to handle without assistance. Additionally, appliances like refrigerators and freezers often contain hazardous materials, such as coolants, which require specialized disposal methods. Hiring a professional appliance removal service in Austin takes the stress out of disposing of these heavy and cumbersome items. Professionals have the proper equipment and knowledge to safely and efficiently remove your appliances, ensuring that they are disposed of in an environmentally responsible way. Whether it's carrying a large refrigerator down a narrow hallway or removing an old washing machine, appliance removal experts handle it all, so you don't have to worry about injuring yourself or damaging your home. Recycling and reducing waste. One of the most important reasons to consider appliance removal during your spring cleaning is the environmental benefits. Many appliances are made up of materials like metal, plastic, and glass, which can be recycled. When appliances are improperly disposed of in landfills, these valuable materials are wasted, and harmful chemicals can leach into the environment. Reputable appliance removal services in Austin focus on eco-friendly practices, such as recycling and reusing components. By choosing a professional removal service, you ensure that your old appliances are disposed of properly. Many services work with local recycling centers and donation organizations to ensure that functional appliances are repurposed or reused, reducing the overall waste that ends up in landfills. Upgrading your appliances for better functionality. Spring cleaning is often the perfect time to assess what's working well in your home and what could use an upgrade. If your appliances are outdated, inefficient, or no longer functioning properly, it may be time to replace them with more modern, energy-efficient models. Upgrading appliances like your refrigerator, dishwasher, or dryer can make a big difference in your home's overall functionality and comfort. As you replace old appliances, the next step is to remove the outdated models. Professional appliance removal makes it easy to dispose of the old units and prepare your home for the new ones. By getting rid of your old appliances, you can enjoy a more organized and efficient living space. Plus, new appliances often come with better energy efficiency, which can save you money on utility bills over time. Maintaining a healthier home environment. Cluttered homes can create stress and make it harder to maintain a clean and organized space. Old appliances can gather dirt, dust, and even mold, especially if they've been sitting unused for a while. This can contribute to a less than ideal living environment, negatively affecting your indoor air quality. Appliance removal helps keep your home clean and safe. By removing old appliances that can't be repaired or that are no longer in use, you minimize the risk of allergens and contaminants accumulating in your home. Plus, with more space and less clutter, it's easier to keep your home organized and free of debris. The result is a healthier living environment where you can enjoy better air quality and reduce the potential for mold growth or other health concerns. Convenient and stress-free process. Spring cleaning can feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to tackling big tasks like appliance removal. Many people put off getting rid of old appliances because they don't know where to start or feel it will be too time-consuming. But with appliance removal services in Austin, the process becomes quick and easy. Professional removal teams handle all aspects of the process, from lifting and hauling the appliances to disposing of them responsibly. They can often provide same-day service, meaning you don't have to wait around to clear out your space. With just one call, you can schedule a convenient pickup and have your old appliances removed without any hassle. It's an efficient, stress-free way to make your home cleaner and more organized. Conclusion: simplify your spring cleaning with appliance removal in Austin. Appliance removal is a crucial step in achieving a more organized, clutter-free home, especially during your spring cleaning routine. Whether you're removing old appliances to make room for new ones, recycling items to reduce waste, or simply decluttering, professional appliance removal services in Austin make the process easy, efficient, and environmentally friendly. With the help of appliance removal services, you can create a more functional and healthy living space while contributing to a more sustainable environment. Get started today by scheduling your appliance removal and enjoy the benefits of a clean, organized home.